Limited issued 5 lakh 6% convertible debentures at 10 each.
5 lakh into 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So 50 lakh, huh?
Yes, sir.
This is net proceeds. We are issuing this much debentures, right?
Yes, sir.
Interest should be
10%.
6%, huh?
Yes, sir.
6%.
50 lakh into
6%.
6%. So this is annual cash flow. So we are paying this much interest, right? Next statement.
On 1st April 2021, the debentures are due for redemption on 31st March 2025
After 4 years,
at a premium of 10%.
see, after 4 years, we are paying with a premium, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
calculate that also premium.
10%.
Premium 50 lakh. Correct, huh?
Yes,
This is
sir.
net proceeds. We are issuing this much amount. 50 lakhs we are issuing. After 5 years, 10% premium, huh?
Yes, sir.
10% premium, 5 lakh, right?
Yes, sir. 55.
Totally we have to pay
55.
55 lakh.
10% convertible into equity shares to the extent of 50%
You see, 50%.
and balance to be settled in cash to the debenture
So
holders.
this is the important thing. After 5 years, they are paying only 50%.
Ah,
Correct, huh?
yes, sir.
This I am telling meaning, huh? This is one difference. We have to pay totally 55 lakh.
But
Totally
55
lakh after 5 years. After 5 years. So we are paying only 50%. 50% of this much, right? I'll calculate. 50% of liability. 55 lakh into 50%, now.
Yes, sir.
How much now?
50,000.
27 lakh.
50,000.
This much we have to pay at the end of 4th year.
After.
Up to the end of, first year, second year, third year, we are paying cash flow.
Interest.
That is how much? 3 lakh, huh?
Yes, sir.
Interest 3 lakh. 3 lakh. This is also 3 lakh. 3 lakh, right? Principal amount we are paying. Liability, how much? 27 lakh 50,000. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
We are paying first year interest, second year interest, third year interest, fourth year interest. After 4 years, we have to pay principal amount of 50%. That too 10% premium, right?
Yes,
That
sir.
too 10% premium. So 27 lakh
50,000.
Then discount factor that is given 0.94.
991.
Huh?
10%. 0.91.
91,
0.83.
83,
0.75.
75,
0.68.
68, 0.68, right? This are the same. Just the multiple is
3 lakh into
given first.
2,73,000.
2 lakh 73,000.
2,49,000.
2 lakh
49,000.
49,000.
2 lakh 25,000.
25,000.
2 lakh 4,000.
2 lakh
4,000.
4,000.
18 lakh 70,000.
18 lakh 70,000 total of this. This is liability. 28 lakh. This much, huh? 28 lakh. 21,000 we have to pay, right? So accounting treatment as per Indian accounting standard. So entry what?
Bank account data to
50 lakh, huh?
to debt
To net instrument or liability. Debt
to
instrument
equity.
or liability.
28 lakh
28 lakh.
21,000.
Balance is equity, right?
Yes, sir.
So this you subtract, you will get equity.
21 lakh 79,000.
21 lakh.
79,000.
Total together should be 50 lakhs, correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, so opening balance liability, how much more? 28 lakh.
21,000.
Into
Correct, huh?
10%.
Yes, sir.
10% means what? 2 lakh
82,000.
100
31 lakh 3,100.
31 lakh 3,100
Minus 3 lakh 28 lakh 3,100.
28 lakh
3,100.
3,000 right. So 28 lakh 3,100 280,310
Correct, sir. Correct, sir.
Add
30 lakh
30 lakh
83,410.
410
Yes, sir.
minus this
27 lakh 83,410.
410
Yes, sir.
27 lakh 83,410
2 lakh 78,
2 lakh
341.
78,341 right.
Yes, sir.
Total
30 lakh 61,770.
30
Lakh 61,751.
751
Yes, sir.
minus this
27 lakh 61,751. 751.
751
Yes, sir.
27 lakh
61,75.
751 27 lakh 61,751 see to subtract for this one 30 lakh minus this to subtract
3 lakhs.
That is 3 lakh, miss.
Subtract, sir. 3 lakhs minus 27. Minus 24 lakh 61,751.
minus
24 lakh 61,751.
24 lakh 61,751.
751
751. Minus
last year what also right
52 lakhs. Sir, 52 lakhs 23,000.
52 lakh
23,502.
20
3,502.
02 minus this
49, 23,502.
49
23,502.
23 02 see last year we are paying principal amount also right.
Yes, sir.
Still something balance is there. We are paying cash. That you subtract last year. Principal liability how much ma?
18 lakhs.
18 lakh.
70,000.
18 lakh.
70,000.
70,000.
30 lakhs 53,502.
502. This is we are paying in cash. Last year 50% remaining.